Several items that are there, a decision maker is there. Decision maker is a person or group of persons who will come together to make a decision with regard to some kind of issue or some kind of problem. Maybe it is like procurement of material, that may be one thing, or maybe investment related to a project, or it may be like developing a new product. All these kinds of things are made, arrived by decision maker. Then courses of action. What are the courses of action? That means what are the various alternatives that are available to a decision maker. So as an individual, we can take an example like after graduation. What is next education pursuit? Maybe whether they want to go for MCA or MBA or MSc or MCom. Likewise, there are multiple alternatives available for each graduate. In that event, what course of action he will choose, that based upon the future prospects that are there or that are available after completing those courses. So they will evaluate, the person will evaluate each of the alternatives, and then he tries to choose one course of action or following one kind of alternative. Then states of nature. States of nature is external to the decision maker, and the decision maker will have no control over the states of nature. That means the states of nature is the environment, it is what it offers. That means we are not sure what happens after a decision is made, whether what external environment gives us with respect to that kind of decision is not known. Say for example, states of nature is something when a graduate has chosen some course which he thought that there would be a lot of demand for that course, and after completing that course, if the demand for that course comes down, probably there is no realization of expectation. But when it comes to the demand, if it remains same or if the demand has gone up, probably the expectations are realized. We are not sure what happens in future, but at the point of decision making, the decision maker always thinks positively and make a decision, because at that particular point of time, that is the right kind of decision based upon its payoff. When we say payoff, what is the outcome or what is the result after taking the decision? Whether what is the pay or what is the outcome that we have got out of that kind of decision is known as payoff. And when various kinds of alternatives are available to a decision maker will try to evaluate each and every alternative and put the payoffs as per the knowledge or as per the understanding he has. He will prepare a table or matrix known as payoff matrix or payoff table. In payoff table, we have, usually they are expressed with numbers because they are mostly related to monetary or monetary things. For that reason, those values are put out in a table which is known as payoff table or matrix. Then regret or opportunity loss table. It is also a table which is prepared after looking at the payoff table. If one alternative is chosen, what is the next best alternative and what is the loss that has been incurred because a particular other decision is not made. If those values are also put off in a table which we call that as regret table or opportunity loss table.